guys, Kaden here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you two ways in how I do my wing liners, and also easy way to, like a trick in how I apply my lashes to make them last all day without them lifting or anything. So if you want to see how I get these sharp wings, then keep on watching. So I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. liquid liner in jet black, and as you can see I start at the end of my eyes and then with the first line, and then go on top and use a second line to form a triangle shape down to the center of my eyes, and then I started to connect those lines. After connecting those lines, I'm going to go ahead and fill in that triangular shape. And if you want your wings to look sharp, you have to have like a the end of the line, the wing should be like if you want the end of the wing to be sharp, you have to have like a single line right there. So you would see where I go and I extended it because it got too thick and I didn't want it to be looking that thick. And when I do my wing liners, I try not to use any concealer to clean up after. And as you can see, I already did my full face, so I didn't want to go in with the concealer to try and clean it up, so I had to be very, very careful. And also, it's your preference to make your wing as thick as possible, as thin as possible, or in between. It doesn't matter, it's up to you. Now on to the second way in which I do my wing liner. So as you can see, I went in and I did a much smaller triangle and then I fill it in. After filling in that triangle, I went ahead and started connecting lines and also filling them as I go. So I just continue that process until I have like the desired length and size, and yeah, that's how simple I do my wing liners.
You won't be we should be closer than friends. If you OPN and take the high road and hop in.
Onto lashes, I'll be using my Lash Me Up Cosmetics lash and also my Kiss clear lash glue, and it's the one with the aloe vera. And once I found this glue, I never went back. This glue is the bomb.com. So first I went ahead and I add some glue to the strip lashes, and then I'm adding some also to my lash line. So in doing so, I realized that my lash lasts all day. It sticks and lasts all day because I guess the glue sticks to something like itself. So the glue on the lash sticks to the glue on my eye better than it would stick to my actual skin. So yeah, this is how I do, and that's a little trick that I've learned, and that's what I've been doing. So I just went ahead and just look at how I just use my fingers to pop the lashes on, and then I just went in with my tweezers and just clamp my natural lashes to my falsies.
Open up, you OPN, bitch, you won't be we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya.
And also, after applying my lashes, I like to push them up because I don't like my eyes to look droopy, because I like to wear fluffy lashes. I like to look awake, so I just push them up so it opens my eyes, if you get what I'm saying.
Open up, you OPN, bitch, you won't be we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The doors open. Take the high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up.
And here you go, guys. This is it. This is how I apply my lashes and also do my sharp wing liners. Please don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't just watch the videos, just subscribe to my channel. And if you want, you can suggest videos you'd like to see down below. Thank you. Bye.